this video tutorial for the Painter's Profits Estimator Internal Repaint Finish to Coat. This program's quite a simple one. You start with you type in your date, your job number, your client name, your client address, and we start with the charge out rate. At the moment it's about $50 an hour, 55 sorry, and the paint price per litre. Paint price per litre is if you did a job and you took the cost of the paint and you divided by how many litres of paint you used, that would give you the amount, which is going at about $9 a litre. We'll work on that anyway. This is a quick little calculator to work out the wall area in a house. It's an approximate, so you know, if you want to measure your house and get an exact measurement, you can do that, but we've come up with this figure, and we've researched a lot of houses between small and large to come up with this percentage. And yeah, 336 square metres, 180 square metres of ceiling area, and approximately 125 linear metres of skirting. Okay, if we come down here and we start with 336 square metres of walls, that'll give you how many litres of paint you're going to use and the hours it's going to take to do it and the amount of money to do those walls. There's one here for VJ walls as well. There's extra prep. We've allowed prep in this figure here, just a minimal amount, just your standard amount of prep for a not too bad house. So an extra 2 hours of patching. You have one coat on your ceilings and two. This house we're going to be doing two, so that's 180 square metres. Again, it gives you how many litres of paint, how many hours that should take, and your amount. Extra patching, say 2 hours. We have flat doors and panel doors, say 12 doors. That's again your basic prep between your sanding and undercoat and gloss. Panel doors, the same, extra prep on the doors. If there's any extra prep, just type in the hours. Remove and refit hardware, that's your door locks and fittings, etc. So 12 doors and $99. Your door frames, so 12 door frames, again 2.9 litres of paint, 7.8 hours, and extra prep. If there's any extra preparation, you just type in how many hours there. Skirtings were 125 metres, 25, and extra prep there as well. These are aluminium. These are the timber jams around the aluminium windows themselves. Say 14 windows. Extra prep. This is remove and refit the hardware, curtain hardware on the windows. The cupboards, we've left the cupboards up to you because each house has got so many variations of cupboards. Let's say 8 litres of paint, and say 3 hours to paint. Set up the job 2 hours. Pack up, say 2 hours. This one here is for any extra items in the house. We're going to go with a feature wall. Say 2 litres of paint. Say 3 hours to do it. Okay, so we've come down the bottom here. We've got 107 litres of paint at $963, 107 hours at $5,903. So all up, the house is going to cost you $6,866. It's quite simple. That's going by the figures we've allowed on our business. That concludes the video tutorial for the internal estimating program.